Hello students, this is Savita Pawar. Welcome to my channel Get the Math. Now as you know that the syllabus is bifurcated and you will have two semesters, term 1 and term 2, and term 1 will be online and of MCQ pattern for 40 marks. So here now I am making videos of MCQ questions of those chapters that are in Sem 1, and also that I have completed its explanation in my channel. To solve MCQs, it is utmost important to get thorough with the concept and each and every point of the chapter, as they can be tricky ones. So first you need to solve the whole exercise, then you will find MCQs easy to solve. In the I link above as well as in the description box below, I have shared the uploaded videos of the quadratic equations of lesson 5 and 6, so you can practice it out. Now let us start with the today's topic, MCQs of quadratic equations. The first one here is, which of the following is not a quadratic equation? Now as you know, the quadratic equation, the degree of the equation should be 2. The highest degree of the equation should be 2 here. But in this case, you can see that the degree is 3, and therefore this is not a quadratic equation. So here you have darkened the circle, right? This way. Second question, the quadratic equation has degree 2. Just now we have seen there. Okay, now you know how to darken the circle, so I will be just ticking it out. The cubic equation has degree 3. The roots of the equation, quadratic equation 6x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0 are. So here you have to find the roots of this quadratic equation. So solve the quadratic equation by factorization method, and here you get the equation, roots of the equation as x equal to minus 1 by 2 and x equal to 2 by 3. So minus 1 by 2 and 2 by 3 are the roots of this quadratic equation. So this is the correct answer. The equation 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0 has two equal roots. Then the value of k is, now since it is given as equal roots, therefore d will be equal to 0. Now write a, b, c from this equation. A is 2, b is k and c is 3. Since d equal to 0, therefore b square minus 4ac is also equal to 0, and substitute the values of a and c and b. You find k square is 24, therefore k is plus minus under root of 24, that is 2 root 6. So plus or minus 2 root 6, this is the correct option for A, for question 5, right? Question 6 here is, the roots of the quadratic equation x plus 1 by x equal to 3, where x is not equal to 0 are. So you have to find its roots, and therefore convert this equation into a general quadratic form. This is x square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0 by taking the LCM of x here. And from this equation now a is 1, b is minus 3 and c is 1 here. Okay, and you have to find the roots. Therefore first you need to find the d. Therefore d is b square minus 4ac, or else you can substitute in the formula x equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac. It is one and the same thing. So alpha equal to minus b plus root d by 2. So here you get alpha as 3 plus root 5 by 2 and beta as minus b minus root d by 2. So it is 3 minus root 5 by 2. So these are the two roots for this given equation. So this is 3 plus root 5 by 2 and 3 minus root 5 by 2. So this is the correct option. So as you have seen that you need to practice the whole exercise, then only you are going to solve, or you are able to solve the MCQs. The sum of the roots of the quadratic equation 3x square minus 9x plus 5 equal to 0 is. So sum of the roots is alpha plus beta, that is equal to minus b by a. So from this equation b is minus 9 and a is 3. So minus of minus 9 by 3 is 3. So 3 is the correct option. Okay. Question 8 here is, if one of the root of the equation x square plus px plus 12 equal to 0 is 4, while the equation x square plus px plus q equal to 0 has equal roots, the value of q is. Now this equation, one of the root has been given for this equation, that is 4 here. Therefore value of x is 4. Substitute in this equation, you will get the value of p here, that is minus 7, right? Now for the second equation, it is given that it has equal roots. So equal roots means d equal to 0. Now from this equation a is 1, b is p and c is q here. So equal roots is d is 0, therefore b square minus 4ac is also equal to 0. Substitute values, b as p, 4a is 1 and c is q equal to 0. But p value is minus 7 from this equation and therefore q is 49 by 4. So value of q you get it as 49 by 4, that is the option A. So that is the correct option. Question 9 here is, if a minus 3 is 10 by a, the value of a r. So convert this equation into quadratic form. Now factorize it. Okay. So a equal to 5 and b equal to minus 2. That's what you get. So a is minus 5 and a is 5 and b is minus 2 here. So correct option is B. Okay. The common root of the equation x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0 and 2x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0 is. That means these two equations have a common root. So what is that? Yeah, that you have to find. Solve both the equations by quadratic method, by factorization method. So in this case, the for first equation you get value of x as 2 and 1. For second equation you get the value of x as 2 and 1 by 2. So x equal to 2 is the common root for both these equations. So x equal to 2, that is option A is the correct option. Question 11 here is, if alpha and beta are the roots of the given equation, then alpha plus 1 and beta plus 1 equal to what? This is multiplication in between. So open the bracket here, it will be px plus p minus c equal to 0. So from this case a is 1, b is p and c is p minus c. Since a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x and c is constant. Okay. Now find alpha plus beta, that is b minus a, it is the equation. So from this case it will be minus p and alpha beta is c upon a, so it will be p minus c in this case. Now write the given question, alpha plus 1 and beta plus 1, open this bracket. So this will be alpha into beta plus alpha plus beta and plus 1. Substitute the values of alpha beta and alpha plus beta here. So this is p minus c and this is minus p plus 1. So if you open this bracket, you get the value of alpha plus 1 and beta plus 1 as 1 minus c. So option B is the correct option, that is 1 minus c. Okay. Question 12 here is, the value of k for which the quadratic equation 4x square minus 3kx plus 1 equal to 0 has real and equal roots. So it is given real and equal roots, therefore d should be equal to 0 and hence b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. And from this equation a is 4, b is minus 3k and c is 1 here, and substitute the values here. So you get k square as 16 by 9 and therefore k is plus or minus 4 by 3. So correct option is A, that is 4 by 3, plus or minus 4 by 3. So these are the different type of MCQs that you can get to solve. So hope you have understood it and work hard. If you have any query, drop it in the comment box. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, Get the Math.